Welcome to MK Express. Master keying the easy way. A good master key system is not an access control system. But an access control system is what customers tend to want. This results in a large number of cross keys, which will waste codes, reducing the capacity and expandability of the master key system. In this video, I'm going to ignore best practice, and give the customer what they want. MK Express will manage the resulting hornet's nest with ease. So let's create a blank system. I'm going to select A2 and then blank system. Let's enter some details for the system in here. A new feature in the 2016 version allows you to record the hardware used in the project. I'm going to enter the key blank and default cylinder part numbers. The default settings for the best A2 system has been filled in for you, so we'll move right along to the keying. Although it does not look like it now, this is a keying matrix, where we stipulate which keys will work which locks. The entire system can be defined on this page. But to define the locks or key sets, I find creating a list on the key sets page easier. I'm going to start by adding the actual locks, which are to be used at this hotel. First, there is a front door to the hotel, which will give an arbitrary number to. Now I'm going to add the managers and accountants' offices. Take note of the +1. 2 new locks have been created. I'll just add a description. Now, let's add some other locks in this hotel. So far so good. Let's add 10 rooms. Ignoring best master keying practices, I'll add keys by the role of the people who will hold them. I'm adding keys for the staff. Now let's add the 10 room keys. Before I forget, we should add the top master key too. At this point we have entered all the keys and locks for the system, so the next step would be to tell MK Express which keys work which locks. This is done on this screen, that looks a lot like a tablecloth. I'm going to set the top master key to work all the locks. Next, let's define which locks the manager's key can open. Now for the accountant. Likewise, we can set the bar staff, cook and cleaner's keys. And last, let's set up the rooms. As you can see from this keying matrix, this looks nothing like what a master key system should. But all we have to do is click on the Calculate button. Looking at the keys screen, we can see that the cuts have been assigned to the keys. And on the lock screen, the required pinning is displayed. The main entrance will look a bit like Swiss cheese with all the keys that can go through it. Before cutting keys and pinning locks, I'm going to prevent any changes to what I have here by creating a snapshot. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to expand this system and track orders. But right now I'm going to save this system.